Vectors and scalars. In this lesson we will discuss something about the definition of the vectors and scalars and some examples. Let us see. Definition of the vector. A physical quantity which has both magnitude and the direction is called a vector quantity. Example, weight. Weight has some magnitude 5 kg, 4 kg, 3 kg, etc. and this is having weight is always directs downwards. That means it is having some direction. So weight is having both magnitude and direction, therefore it is a vector quantity. This is a vector quantity. Weight is a vector quantity. In other words, W equal to mg, weight equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. Here mass is a scalar quantity and acceleration due to gravity, it is a vector quantity. The product of scalar and vector is a vector quantity. Therefore, the weight is a vector quantity. Now let us see another example, that is displacement. Displacement refers how far is the body from its initial position. That is, the shortest distance from the initial position to the final position of the body. Let us see this example. Here a body is starting from A, it travels from A to B, this is B, and then B to C, then finally C to D. In this journey, what is the displacement? Means the distance of the final position from the initial position. How far is the body from initial position? This shortest distance tells you the displacement of the body, that is 3 meters. This displacement is also having some direction, that is direction is towards from initial position to the final position. So displacement is having both magnitude and direction, therefore displacement is a vector quantity. Displacement is a vector quantity. Distance is the total length of the path covered by the body during its journey. In this example, the body is traveled from A to B, B to C, and finally C to D. In this journey, the total distance covered, the total length of the path, that is 4 meters plus 3 meters plus 4 meters, that is 11 meters. The total length covered in the journey is 11 meters. What about the direction? When it is traveling from A to B, it is towards east. When it is moving from B to C, the direction is downwards. When it is moving from C to D, its direction is towards left. That means when calculating distance, we need to consider 3 directions. That implies distance is not having any specific direction. It is having only magnitude 11 meters. Therefore, distance is a scalar quantity. Displacement is a vector quantity. Example 3, velocity. Velocity is defined as the displacement made by the body per unit time. That is, velocity equal to displacement by time. Here displacement is a vector quantity and time is a scalar quantity. The vector divided by scalar gives you a vector quantity. Therefore, velocity is a vector quantity. Therefore, what is a vector? It is a physical quantity which has both magnitude and direction, that is called as vector. Examples are weight, displacement, velocity, etc. Scalar is a physical quantity which has only magnitude but no direction. Example, length, mass, time, speed, etc. This is something about vector and scalar. This is the assignment for the students. Classify the following measures as vectors and scalars. 10 kg, 2 meters northwest. This is 40 degrees. 40 degrees, 40 watts, 10 coulombs, 20 meter per second square, 20 meter per second square. We have to classify them into vectors and scalars. Here, classify the following as scalar and vector quantities. Time period, force, force equal to mass into acceleration. Here mass is a scalar and acceleration is a vector. Work done, W equal to Fs, force into displacement. Force is a vector quantity and displacement is also a vector quantity. When two vectors are multiplied, we get a scalar quantity. Vector into vector equal to a scalar. In the next lesson, we will discuss something about the three-dimensional coordinate system. Thank you.